Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an unboxing.
Well, you're
there it is. Today we have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I did manage to get one.
Memory size?
Memory size is 256 because that's the tallest one they do now.
Okay.
I have the 14 Pro Max at the moment. This is going to someone.
Memory size?
128, even though I use iCard anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Because I have all my photos on. So.
Yeah, no problem.
Right, and this time I haven't gone for gold because there wasn't one.
There wasn't one.
Which I'm really annoyed about.
So you actually had to ask me what.
Yeah. So there was natural titanium, white, blue, and black. That's boring. White, I could have done with. Natural titanium, the rubbish. So I went for blue. Okay. Right, here we go. Oh, fail. There we go. Right. You're gonna get a slap in a minute. So in the box, obviously now it's USB-C, so you get a USB-C cable. I'm trying to show both of you. And it's braided. I'm not going to go through that, but we do need this extension in a minute. Right. I haven't got the Apple Watch this year because this one took on year one. Oh, and it's got an action button. Eric was asking me about the differences earlier, and I forgot about the action button. And you can program it to do anything.
I'm not making any comments.
Thankful to have that for years. Good for
Samsung.
Samsung.
I never made the comment.
I know you're going to say it though. So. And instead of stainless steel, it's titanium on the side now. Right. Stop it! English. You have Kingdom. No, that's what. Do a quick start. Continue. Away. Now, last year we had to cut the camera a bit because it took so long.
Yes, I was.
For me. We'll blow that out.
I cover my hands, that's fine.
Okay. You didn't last year, you just said film it and we'll blow it out.
Yeah. The information is transferred. This could take some time. I'm going to stop this.
Okay. Oh. I might not actually need the sim, I could do eSIM. I bet it won't work actually. I'm already on the Wi-Fi.
That's a good time.
Mm-hmm. Right, it's going to be very strange having a blue phone. I've gone gold for like 4 years. I've now got eSIM.
Oh, that's good.
Didn't expect that to work so easily.
I'll put this back in then.
Yeah, didn't need that. Software update, we'll do that later. We don't need it now. Continue. Done. Oh, not really. Right, let's see Face ID. Right. Yes, I know I set up Face ID. I've done it 3 times. 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 3 Lower. Lower. Really?
That's probably where you're most likely going to have it.
I suppose. No, we don't need a mask. COVID's gone. We did that.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Not finding it now.
Press back and try again with it unlocked.
We've done that. Later. For another iPhone.
And it's just because it's already done it, maybe.
Let me, for God's sake. Let me back up this iPhone. What we'll do, we'll cut the camera, we'll come back when it's done. We're just going with it, guys. This is taking 2 years to back up. Well, it's taking 3 minutes now. At the time, it was going to take like 2 hours.
Yeah.
Right, so it hasn't transferred anything.
Looks like it has transferred everything actually. So. Has or hasn't?
Hasn't.
No, no. Is it something in settings? Or like, how far's the tune zooming? But it said like
Nothing more. Oh, they've transferred. My cards haven't now. Hi guys, quick edit jump in here. So, the big jump that's going to happen now, we could not for the life of us work out why nothing transferred. In the end, we had to do it's not in this video, but in the end, we had to reset the phone completely. But because I moved to eSIM, I'm going to lose all my eSIM data. But luckily, Eric found a way to keep the eSIM data. So that's the reason why this big jump cam, we're just going to straight into video tests. But I thought I'd just jump in here. Right, let's do some camera tests, and then we'll finish off. Right, what am I doing? Right, so let's do front facing camera first. It's the same camera on the other iPhone 14, but well. Right, here we go. Hi guys, this is coming from the iPhone 15 Pro Max front facing camera.
so which is the new camera?
So this is the new camera.
Oh, the zoom lens. Okay.
Yeah, and you've got 5 times zoom, and it can be very handy for other stuff. Right, I want to try and do it this way. I don't know if you can see us. But we're going to try it. Hi guys, this is us coming from the iPhone 15 back camera with the main camera.
You know, just press the volume.
Because you text me. Right.
I don't think you set it up yet.
No, I didn't set up. Right guys, first things first, it definitely feels lighter than that one. Yeah, everyone's saying this feels lighter, it definitely does. I'm looking forward to using it once I get it set up. What a pain. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.